This is Helen Keat, the Key Team at Keller Williams Realty Landmark here in Queens, New York City for all your real estate needs. Move right into this newly listed one-bedroom condo in Astoria, and it affords you your own private terrace that faces an amazing New York City skyline, including the Empire State Building. Spacious, with contemporary designer touches throughout, state-of-the-art kitchen and baths. A truly spacious one bedroom with its own custom closet, walk-in, and plenty of closets throughout, including your own washer and dryer. Can't live without it. The building, the Astoria, conveniently located, built in 2010, has beautiful lobby, its own gym facility, storage, and rooftop and patio area for entertaining. Near transportation, certainly New York City. Don't miss this. Asking $749. Thank you. This is Helen Keat, the Key Team at Keller Williams Realty Landmark, serving Queens, New York City for all your real estate needs. Thank you.